Hello, my name is Krista, and today I'm going to be making the country biscuits from our On Cooking textbook, and it's coming from page 930. And I decided to have the recipe yield 9 biscuits instead of 36. So I used 10 ounces of flour, 6 grams of salt, 15 grams of sugar, 15 grams of baking powder, 105 grams of unsalted butter, cold, and 180 milliliters of milk. I also used a scale to measure out all of my ingredients, and I also have a rolling pin to roll out that biscuit dough. I have a sifter. I have some extra flour to put on our working space when rolling out the biscuit dough. I have a mixing bowl. I have 2 forks to incorporate that butter into our mixture, as well as a cooking sheet to cook the biscuits. The first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So once you have your oven preheating, you're going to want to take your flour, your salt, your sugar, and your baking powder, and you want to sift them together. Alright, so I went ahead and I cut the butter into the mixture, and it should look something like this. Then you want to stir in the milk. Alright, so this is what your dough should look like, and now I am going to knead it about 5 to 6 times on a lightly floured surface. Alright, so now that our dough is all in one ball, we can roll it out. So next you're going to want to cut your biscuits into small circles. Alright, so now that I have cut out my biscuits, I'm going to place them in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes until the tops are light brown. Just took my biscuits out of the oven, and as you can see, it's golden brown on the top and on the bottom. And now I'm going to transfer them over to my cooling rack. Alright, so now that my biscuits are out of the oven, I have a plate of them right here. And then I am going to tear into one of them. This is what the inside of them look like. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed.